disconnected.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I just wanted to show you some of the stuff on my bike that you can get at CRFsOnly.com. So I know that CRFsOnly.com, they have the double take mirrors. That's where these come from. These are the adventure mirrors. You can get the round style if you like them, but the double take mirrors are nice because you can just loosen them up, fold them in if you're going to go woods riding, take them off, super easy. Makes it a lot easier when you're going off-road or going in the woods or brush or anything. And if you want the clean look of no mirrors, you can take them off. Either way, but they're super good mirrors, CRFsOnly.com. They also have Nelson Rig luggage. You can see the Nelson Rig luggage I have here. They also carry this chain. This is a DIDVX3 X-ring chain. This is going to be a lot better than your chain that comes on your bike. This is the gold chain. It's a lot higher tensile strength, so it's going to not stretch near as much as your factory chain. And before yours wears out and wears the sprockets out, is a good time to replace it. Don't wait till then. Mine only had 6,000 miles on it. I went ahead and put this chain on, and it's going to be a lot better chain. I've had these actually on every DUALSPORT I've had, and even a lot of the dirt bikes that I had before that. It's a very good chain. Another thing they have is the Zeta foot pegs. Very cool because these things have super traction. Your feet ain't gonna slide off on these. They're aluminum. They're very nice looking. They're a lot wider than the stock, and like I said, super traction. Your feet's not gonna slide off. Another thing they have is the Zeta revolver shift lever. This is a cool shift lever. It is folding like the factory CRF300L, but this is all aluminum instead of the cheap metal like the factory one comes with. This is the revolver too. So you actually loosen an Allen bolt right here and you can adjust this and it turns. It gives you a little bit more as far as length or shorter or lower or higher depending on how you turn. It's kind of a cam setup. Very cool. I like that. Another thing that they carry at CRFsOnly is this skid plate. This is an AXP racing skid plate, but a lot of people have a problem because AXP, you have to get it overseas and mail it, and it kind of takes a while. Well, they have this. It's actually branded under Moose Racing in the United States. It is exactly the same skid plate. AXP makes them. Moose gets them over here, puts their name on it, and sells them. Same way with this rear rack right here. This is also AXP Racing or Moose Racing. Same thing. And CRFsOnly.com has these. So he has everything pretty much. Another thing about CRFsOnly.com, he has the OEM stuff. So you need oil filters, air filters, you need brake pads, disc, everything for your bike. You can get the OEM parts also. And another thing that they have is this Flatland Racing radiator guard. I put on mine. Super heavy duty. This is like super extreme. The cool part about it is it's braced from your frame back here. It clamps on, and it's a real heavy aluminum. You can see how thick this thing is. So it's not going to move. I mean, I can hit that thing. It is solid, up, down, back, forth. It is solid as a rock. This is a very, very durable one. If you're going to fall over, you can just crush a radiator. If you can jab a stick through it, with this one, you ain't got to worry about that. It'd take a pretty good crash. I'm not saying you can't destroy it, but it don't take much to destroy the stock plastic piece of junk that comes on these bikes. So yes, CRFsOnly has pretty much everything for your bike, even hand guards for your bike. So anyway, check out the links below to CRFsOnly.com. Click the thumbs up on this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Right on.